Hey, I'm Simon. Today we are going to show you how to test and replace the belt switch on your LG dryer. If you are experiencing symptoms like the dryer not starting after the start button is pressed, it might be time to check or replace this part. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful appliance repair guides. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you to do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For the job, we're going to need a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter, a power tool with the Phillips bead, and the vacuum cleaner. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Don't forget to unplug your dryer or turn the breakers off, and also turn the gas off. The belt switch is a safety device used to control power to the motor, protecting it from running without load. If the belt breaks, the switch cuts the power off to the motor in order to keep the dryer from running and heating without it tumbling the clothes. The switch is mounted under the idler pulley behind the motor bracket. Take out 3 Phillips screws from the back of the dryer's top and slide it out. Locate the PCB housing at the top middle of the dryer. Remove 2 Phillips screws from the sides of the housing and then, using the flathead screwdriver, release the side clips and open the PCB's cover. One of the best tools that you can have in your toolbox is a multimeter, and we would love to show you how this device works and how you can benefit from using it. Check out the video in the description. Get your multimeter set to continuity Wi-Fi sign. Locate the BL2 plug with a single yellow wire, disconnect it, and insert 1 probe in the connection. Then find the yellow relay X2 and insert the second probe in the brown wire connection. If you read continuity, the belt switch is good, and so is the blower thermostat. They are both wired in line. So if there is no continuity, the belt switch or the blower thermostat goes in the junk. To determine who is the bad boy, we need to take the dryer apart. Move to the front and pull the water tank drawer on the left and remove the water tank. Using the flathead screwdriver, press the locking tab up from underneath the drawer and take it out. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove 2 screws, 1 on each side of the drawer opening. Move to the right corner and remove 1 more Phillips screws from the back of the control panel. Disconnect control board plugs. Pull on the top and remove the control panel. Open the door and remove 4 Phillips screws, 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. Next, remove top Phillips screws that hold the front panel. Use a flathead screwdriver to release the catch on the top right and tilt the front panel for about 1 inch. Disconnect the white and the pink plugs from the door switch and the light and remove the front panel. Remove 4 Phillips screws from the top of the front bracket and take the bracket away. Get down and disconnect the sensor plug on the right. Next step is to take out 2 Phillips screws on each side, lift up and remove the front bulkhead. I recommend wearing gloves for the next step. Don't get shy, get on your 4 and reach under the drum from both sides. Push up the idler pulley and remove the belt of the motor pulley, pull on the belt and slide the drum out of the cabinet. You may clean the dryer. Using a vacuum cleaner, carefully not to break the igniter, clean the lint out. Get to the rear and clean the duct pipe. Reach in behind the motor. You will see the belt switch in white case. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove 2 screws from the belt switch. Pull the connector off. Set the multimeter for continuity again, the Wi-Fi sign, and insert the probes into each brown wire plug connector. You should read open circuit. Press the lever and watch your meter. The reading should change to continuity. If it does, the belt switch is good, and if it doesn't, the belt switch fails our hopes and deserves to be replaced. Here's the old belt switch next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Install the new switch into the housing, place the connector on, insert both screws in the holes, and matching holes install the new switch. Use the Phillips screwdriver to tighten the screws. Pull up on the idler pulley to check if the switch clicks. Install the drum inside Make sure that the rear edge is on the 3 rollers. Place the gloves on and dive under the drum. Loop the belt over the idler pulley, push the idler pulley up, and install the loop over the motor pulley. Slowly turn the drum 1 full turn manually to check the belt position. Bring and install the front bulkhead. Make sure all support rollers are under the drum. Lock the front bulkhead into 4 pilot holes on the sides and secure the bulkhead with 4 Phillips screws. Install the top front bracket. Lock in the side hooks and secure everything with 4 Phillips screws, the longer ones on the sides of the cabinet. Get down and connect the sensor plug on the right. Bring the front panel, install it on the bottom hinges. Tilt it forward, reconnect the white and the pink plugs. Using the flathead screwdriver, lift the catch on the right upper corner and secure the front panel with 4 Phillips screws. Open the door and install 2 Phillips screws at the bottom and 2 Phillips screws at the top. Mount the control panel, install 2 Phillips screws on the sides of the dispenser drawer opening and 1 more from back in the right corner. Connect all the plugs, install the top panel, push it forward to lock and secure with 3 Phillips screws from the back. Install the water tank drawer in. Lift the tab with the flathead screwdriver and push it in. Place the water tank inside the drawer and slide the drawer in. Plug the dryer in and don't forget to open the gas. Great job on replacing the belt switch on your LG dryer. We are eager to hear how your repair turned out, so feel free to share your experience in the comments below. If you need to order any appliance parts, just visit AppliancePartsPros.com with your model number and you will have what you need in no time. Most orders arrive within just a few days. Thanks for trusting us to guide you through your repair, and we look forward to helping you with your next project.